it's Crystal Everdeen, and today I want to share with you a quick little review of my new lightsaber from ARTSABERS. ARTSABERS has a variety of styles to choose from, but for me, I chose their Elemental Nature Saber with an SN NeoPixel blade, and I really love this style of lightsaber, so much so that when I built my very first lightsaber ever at Disneyland in 2019, I chose a very similar design. So when I saw this one on the ARTSABERS website, I knew I had to get it and use it as kind of like an upgrade from my Disneyland saber, because the Disneyland saber can only really do one thing: light up. Whereas the ARTSABERS saber can do so much more. And I'll get into it in a bit, but first I want to show you everything that comes in the box. First of all, it comes in a nifty case, so not just like some cardboard box, which I thought was really cool. Inside the case, you'll find the hilt, the blade, the charger, gloves, and for this hilt specifically, a faux leather wrapping you can add to your hilt if you want to, which I suggest that you should because it looks so good with it on. There's also instructions inside on how to work your lightsaber as well as how to use the app, which I'm typically hesitant to download yet another app. Like, everything has to have an app nowadays, but in this case it's pretty worth it because there's some really cool pre-programmed lighting and sound effects that you can have a lot of fun with, and the app is totally free. It's easy to use. You don't have to deal with like an annoying registration process. You just download it, turn on the Bluetooth so it could connect to your lightsaber, and boom, connected, ready to use, good to go. So yeah, again, absolutely worth the download. And what I'm showing you right now are just some of the various color and lighting effects that you can play with on the app. But even without the app, you can switch from different colors and sound bites just by using the buttons on your hilt.
Temple Guard. Star Killer. Ventress. Leia.
this lightsaber also comes with clashing sounds that activate with motion or with a push of the button. So you could just like push the button on your hilt and activate those clashing sounds, or you could like move it around and it could also have like the whooshing, blasting, and clashing sounds as well. I'm a really big fan of this lightsaber and now need to practice those really cool tricks with it because honestly I have no idea what I'm doing when I'm spinning the saber, and I want to actually know some legit moves. But yeah, it's so much fun. I love the lights, the sounds, the colors. It's just fantastic. So thank you again to ARTSABERS for gifting me with my new elemental nature saber. And if you want to check out this saber or any of their other many different lightsabers, I will leave the links to this saber as well as the ARTSABERS website in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it either interesting, entertaining, or helpful. And if you did, please give a big thumbs up before you go. And don't forget to click that subscribe button if you have not already so I can see you next time. Bye! And may the Force be with you.